Hello children, today we will study Standard 7 Physics, Chapter number 7, Electricity and Magnetism, the remaining part. Today we will learn electric circuit and the circuit diagram. Let me tell you what is an electric circuit. A closed path in which the current flows is known as the electric circuit. A simple electric circuit, it consists of a source of electric current. Here you can see, this is the battery here, this is the source of electric current. Okay, the electrical devices such as key and the bulb here. Okay, and the connecting wires. These are the connecting wires. Okay, these are the connecting wires. Children, for an electric current to flow through a electric circuit, it must have a source of electric current and the circuit should be closed path. Here in this diagram, this is an electric circuit with the actual instruments. Here you can see all the components, they are connected. Okay, it is a continuous path here you can see. Okay, if suppose this wire is broken or disconnected at any point. Okay, if it is disconnected at any point, no current will flow. Okay, is that clear? So for current to flow, the circuit should be closed path. Okay, it should be a closed path or a continuous path we can see. Okay, it should not be broken or it should not be disconnected at any point. Children, drawing the circuit diagram by the actual instrument, it is just difficult. Okay, so we represent this electric circuit or the circuit by the help of the circuit diagram. So in place of the original instruments, actual instrument, we use the various symbol for different electrical devices such as bulb. Here the symbol for bulb is this. Okay, for the battery or the cell it is like this. Okay, one the bigger line here and one the smaller line. You can see this positive terminal. In the positive terminal, this is little bigger than the negative terminal. Here you can see, and this one is the switch or the key. Okay, in an electric circuit, each component of a circuit, it is represented by a unique symbol. Here in this, you can see the cell is represented like this. Battery, when many cells they are connected, this is the battery. This is the ammeter. Okay, this is the voltmeter. Okay, galvanometer, electric bulb. These are the different electrical symbols. Okay, now then this is the symbol for the open switch. Okay, now or like this. Okay, this is the open switch. The closed switch here like this you can see. This is the closed switch. Is that clear? When this is touched, not these two ends are touched. This is the closed switch, and or the here in the middle, this black dot will be there. This means it is a closed switch. Okay, and this represents the open switch. Is that clear? And this is the symbol for the resistor. Okay, this is the symbol for the resistor. As I have already explained you about the closed circuit and the open circuit, here in the first diagram you can see this is a closed circuit. Okay, now or the complete circuit. Okay, when the path of the current starts from one terminal and ends at the other terminal of the cell without any break. There is no break you can see. So this is a closed circuit. Okay, or a complete circuit. But in the second case you can see, the path of the current, it is broken. Here the wire is broken. So this is a open circuit. Okay. So when the path of the current is broken, the circuit, it is called an incomplete circuit or the open circuit.